Fast forward to me finding out that they had sex. I don't remember how I found out, but I found out they had sex. And I went to his house.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and you already know we are back with a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Evawigs, for sending me this 20-inch 150 density lace front wig. This is a 13x6, so the part is gonna go back a little further than normal, and also this is an HD lace. Y'all heard of those, so you already know this is gonna be scalpy. Modeling today, we have my crazy ass, hilarious friend Crystal back in the building. So I don't put this in my videos anymore because it just takes a lot of time to add this footage, but you all know that I always pluck and bleach my wigs before I install them on camera. Also, for my medium to brown dark skin clients, I always tint the lace with a little bit of foundation, liquid foundation or a powder. Well, lately I've been using liquid with either a sponge or a brush and brush it on very, very lightly. Alright, so before we put on the wig, you already know we have to add our stocking cap first. This is the ball cap method done the super easy way, in my opinion. Yeah, so enjoy the video.
Some girls like, oh, I hate girls like this that want to act like they goody two shoes, like you don't swallow.
I seen that comment too.
Bitch, I'm the dirtiest bitch out. Okay, nobody's trying to act like the goody two shoes. I just don't freaking swallow. Okay? And obviously, if I was trying to get a man, I would lie and say I did swallow. I'm telling the truth out here, people. I wish I could swallow. I'm gonna start training. Swallowing slime or something. Something's gonna have to happen.
You guys already know the only lace glue that I use is liquid lace. So if you want your own bottle, go ahead and go to galaxygirlhair.com right now.
Okay, so the time I had gotten to a fight at my job at McDonald's and found my blood sister. I had a boyfriend. This is back in high school, guys, like in high school. I had a boyfriend on and off, and we had broke up, and I started managing McDonald's, and his friend worked there, and he told his friend that I was there. So then he somehow got a job, I don't know. So then, you know, we weren't talking, but then I just heard, you know, girls saying like, oh my God, he's so cute. And I was like, hold on, not my nigga. So then we got back together just because I couldn't have them other bitches liking him like that. No. So this girl that worked there too, we went to school together. We were in orchestra together. We were were cool. We was not friends. Like, we wouldn't hang out, you know.
Loyalty.
Yeah, no loyalty, definitely. But she knew me, and she knew me well enough to know, don't fucking play with me, you know? So I found out that she was texting my boyfriend one day, and I was just like, does she know that we're together now? Like, did you tell her that? He was like, oh, she don't know. I'm like, okay, well, you need to tell her, or I'm gonna tell her. Fast forward, nigga didn't tell her well enough. So then when I saw her at work one day, I was like, hey girl, I don't know if you know, but me and so we're together now. So all that texting that y'all been doing, you know, it needs to stop. It needs to stop. And if it doesn't stop, we're gonna have a problem. Now, guys, now I know you don't need to check no bitch about your nigga. You can check your nigga. I checked that nigga too, but I felt like I knew her well enough to be like, yo, this my nigga, don't talk to him no more. So then I was just peeping that, like, cause he ain't having no car. Don't judge me, y'all. How you ride on a nigga who be asking for a ride? Anyways, he ain't have no car. And she just would always take him to work, even when she didn't have to work. And y'all, this was my nigga. I wasn't even taking this nigga to work if I didn't have to go to work, cause it's probably why he cheated on me. Anyways, so yeah. And I was just like, okay, so she's taking you to work. Are you giving her gas money? What's going on with that? He was like, no, I don't have to give her gas money.
Whoa.
So I'm like, okay, are you paying her in dick? Cause why else would she be driving you to work? Nah, it's not like that. Blah, blah, blah. Whatever. Me and that girl had briefly got into it on social media about this nigga. And she says, I'm like, oh, your boyfriend. If that's your boyfriend, you need to check your boyfriend.
Oh no.
Like alleged boyfriend. Oh, that's your boyfriend? Okay. Anyway, fast forward to me finding out that they had sex. I don't remember how I found out, but I found out they had sex. And I went to his house. A little scuffle occurred. And then I went to work. And I was on fire. And I was telling everybody I was gonna beat this girl's ass for my nigga. I was just so mad, like, Argh! So when I got to work, this guy I used to work with and I was cool with, he was like calming me down. He was like, it's not worth it. You know what I'm saying? You don't be fighting at work over a guy. And I was like, you know what? He's making so much sense. He's right. I'm not gonna do it. But I knew she worked that day. Like when I left, I knew her shift was coming in. So she came to work and she's walking in. It's like a goddamn movie. She coming in slow motion. And everybody's watching because they know like I got smoke with her. Oh, and they just like, everybody at the front, nobody's helping the customers.
You done hyped everybody
Yeah,
up?
everybody's like, what's about to happen or whatever. So, but I've already decided I'm not gonna send it to the girl and be cool. But I'm giving her the look of death. I'm like staring this bitch down like, everywhere she walks, I'm staring at her. So then she comes straight up to me. Mind you, this girl was not like that. Like, she's not like no hood bitch. She's not like that, you know? So she must have been doing push-ups all day. I don't know. So she comes straight up to me and she's like, I heard you got a problem. You got a problem? Now, I'm trying not to have a fight. So I just look at my friend and he's like, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm like, nope, I don't have a problem. I'm good. And when I tell you, you give a bitch an inch and she'll take a mile, she was like, exactly, bitch. Exactly. Exactly. I knew you didn't have nothing to say. You all talk. You all talk. For a whole 6 months, all you do was talk. Girl, just going off on me. All you do was talk. You a talking ass bitch. You did, and I'm just taking it in, just getting hit by the words. Pow, pow, pow. And then I couldn't take no more. So I was like, you know what? Let's go outside and talk. So you know what that means. That means I'm about to beat your ass. Let's go outside and talk. So I take off my McDonald's shirt, my little manager shirt. And I had a shirt on underneath because I knew I was going to beat her ass. I had already planned it. So I took it off and I was like, let's go. Clock out. Mind you, I'm her manager. Clock out. Let's go. You ain't getting paid to get your ass whooped. Let's go outside. So we go all the way to the TJ Maxx parking lot. Everybody in the McDonald's comes outside with us. The drive-thru was shut down now. It's a 24-hour store. Nobody's helping the customers. No one. The new manager for the next shift is outside with us. Like, he want to watch the fight too. We're outside in the parking lot. And I didn't want to like be on camera hitting her first, so I was like, Crystal, just say something to like get her to hit you so you can just drag her. I don't know why, that was just my thought process. One nigga is outside, he's recording and he on the phone with my boyfriend at the time, and he's like, yo, he's like narrating the fight. Oh, they out here, da 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 da. I'm like, let him know, I'm about to whoop her ass. I'm just thinking of things to tell her. I'm like, oh, you're a hoe. I'm the wife. You're the side bitch. I'm just trying to say things to jab her or whatever. And then I was like, the day you sucked his dick, we had just had sex when my period was on. I was like, and you sucked his dick the next day. So guess what? We're blood sisters. We're fucking blood sisters. I don't know why. But everybody that was watching was like, oh shit. Niggas was running and shit. She hated that. And I'm laughing like, I'm just sitting there like, yeah, bitch. Welcome to the club, bitch. And then after that, she hit me. I think she hit me on my shoulder. I don't even fucking remember. I just knew she tried to hit me. And after that, it was over with.
So as y'all seen in the thumbnail, we're going to be doing something really cute and different. I've seen this before in the past, but you know, we like to bring up old trends. You know what I'm saying? So we're bringing back the zigzag part. You guys, this is the final look for today. Once again, thank you so much, Evawigs, for sponsoring this video with this lovely 20-inch HD lace wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm gonna put all the information in the description below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications, or I'm gonna get Crystal on you.
Bitch. Honey, look at this scalp. Look at these hairs. Yes. Okay. I don't know who I am right now, but I'm her.